Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize investment transfers with E-Trade, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize investment transfers with E-Trade, begin by logging into your E-Trade account. Navigate to the Accounts section located in the main menu. Select Transfers from the drop-down options. Choose Transfer Money from the available transfer types. Next, indicate whether you're transferring funds from an external account or within your E-Trade accounts. If you're transferring from an external account, select External Transfer. Enter the required details for your external account, including. Proceed to verify your external account by following the prompts provided by E-Trade. Once the external account is verified, you can specify the amount of funds you wish to transfer. If transferring between E-Trade accounts, select the appropriate accounts from the drop-down menus. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and review the details to ensure accuracy. Next, select the transfer frequency. This could be a one-time transfer or a recurring schedule. Click on Continue to review your transfer request. Carefully read through the terms and conditions provided by E-Trade. If all information appears correct, authorize the transfer by clicking on Submit. You will receive a confirmation screen indicating that your transfer request has been submitted successfully. Check your email for a confirmation notification regarding the authorized transfer. Your funds will typically be processed within a few business days, depending on the type of transfer. Monitor your account to ensure the transfer is completed as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.